Good morning. My name is Sarvesh Tekar.
My name is Arnav Chandan.
And my name is Bhargav Manodar. We have made the project automatic solar powered electric pod. So this pod has many advantages. So firstly, it is a solar powered pod, so it does not use any fossil fuels and does not produce any pollution. Then it is a self-driving pod, so it does not need any human intervention. Plus, it has an obstacle detection system which ensures the safety for the passengers and the surroundings. Its efficient design makes it suitable for college campuses, eco-friendly transport systems, etc. Then it shows how technology and automation and with renewable sources of energy can be combined to meet the modern challenges of transportation.
To enhance the usability, the pod is connected to a web-based application. Through this application, the user can book a ride from wherever they want. They can check the availability of the pod. They can monitor the cost, route, and other related information of the pod. You can see here we can enter a location, then it will give a preview of cost and route. Here you can see this IoT integration makes the pod more practical. The customer can use the pod wherever they want and in an easy manner.
This solar powered pod uses renewable energy collected from the solar panels. So this makes it eco-friendly and self-sustaining. We have used ESP8266 L298 motor driver to control the motors. For navigation, we have used IR sensors which detect the path which is beside the road, ensuring that the pod stays on the path. For further safety, we have added obstacle detection system. So, whenever an obstacle comes in the way, the pod automatically stops, and whenever the obstacle is not there, it continues moving. In conclusion, this proves that how automation, IoT and renewable energy can come together to create a smarter, safer and greener future of transportation. Thank you.